Hey YouTube, it's Zoe, or Read by Zoe, and today I'm going to share with you all my September TBR. September is going to be the first full month that I'm going to be studying abroad in London, so I didn't want to set my TBR too high because I'm going to be getting used to London, and I'm going to be traveling a lot with my group, and just a lot of things are going to happen, so I didn't want to set my TBR at like 20 books and only read 2 and be disappointed in myself, so I picked 6 books from the books that I'm going to be bringing abroad. I'll leave that video down below. I share with you all of the books that I'm going to be bringing from my room, my bookshelf, to London, if you want to check that out. The first book on my TBR is The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. I mentioned this in my August wrap-up just because not sure when I'm going to finish it. I am only like 78 pages into the book, so I'm not sure if I'm going to finish it at the end of August or early September. There's magic, there's mystery, there's romance, there's the the late 1800s and the early 1900s. That's when the time is in this book. So it's all of my favorite things, and the writing is beautiful. It's very descriptive, so if you're not into that, then you might not like the writing style of this book, but I love all of the description. It really throws you into the book. The next book on my TBR is The Son of Neptune by Rick Riordan, which has been on my TBR forever. It's the second book in the Heroes of Olympus series. I really like it so far. I don't even know what page I'm on anymore because, you know, I don't have the bookmark in here anymore. I just need to finish it. I know that in my last TBR video, I was like, I will finish it this month. Didn't happen, didn't even pick it up once, didn't read one page of it, one word of it. The third book on my TBR is Just One Year by Gayle Forman. This is the sequel to Just One Day, and it's supposed to answer a lot of the questions that were left unanswered at the end of Just One Day. The end of Just One Day was really abrupt, and I was really confused. This is from Willem's perspective, and he was the love interest in Just One Day. I think this takes place over the same time period as Just One Day. You really don't learn a lot about Willem in the first book, so I'm very interested to see more of his personality and what went down in Just One Day. The next book on my TBR is Carrie by Stephen King. This is the first Stephen King book that I've ever picked up, and I really want to see what all the hype is about, what all the fuss is about Stephen King, because everyone that I know that likes horror books loves Stephen King. And I know he's like the king of horror books, ha 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 ha. This also was his first book, I believe, and it has been adapted 2 separate times. Since it's been adapted twice, I have quite high hopes for it. It also is short with large font, which, my favorite combination. This is about a teenage girl named Carrie who is bullied a lot in school, and she discovers she can move things with her mind. So it's a horror book. I'm expecting that she'll do things to the people who are picking on her. Then I want to read Mini Shopaholic by Sophie Kinsella. It's been a while since I've read a Sophie Kinsella book, a couple of months, and I'm ready to get back to her humorous and witty and just girly writing. I always read these books really quickly, and I will be traveling a lot in September, so I think maybe when I'm on a bus or after a day of school or something like that, I can just sit down and read this book and have a great time. And the last book on my TBR is The Indigo Spell by Richelle Mead, the third book in the Bloodline series. I read the first 2 books so quickly and I loved them so much. Sydney and Adrian, I love, and I need some more. I need my next dose of Sidrian. I cannot wait to delve into this book. So those are the books on my September TBR. I hope you all enjoyed. Leave down below what your September TBR is, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!